Hi, it's Cameron here from Capital Machinery with two of our portable Rapid-Edge plate beveling machines. We have several machines available depending on your beveling application. The smaller 10H model is great for chamfering or beveling plate and pipe with a bevel width up to 10 millimeters. And the larger 15H model, ideal for heavier plate beveling with a bevel width up to 15 millimeters. The Rapid-Edge 10H model is ideal for on-site use or portability around the workshop. The Rapid-Edge 15H model is ideal for heavy plate beveling for longer lengths and bigger jobs. Both these machines use a high-speed milling type cutter with carbide inserts that can be rotated and changed as required. The Rapid-Edge 15H has a variable beveling angle from 30 to 60 degrees, where the Rapid-Edge 10H has a fixed beveling angle of 45 degrees. The Rapid-Edge 15H has a heavy-duty hardened guide plate and rollers, making it easy to manoeuvre while beveling. The beveling cutting width can be easily adjusted using the adjustment dial on the top of the machine. The Rapid-Edge 10H has a variable cutting speed which can be easily adjusted from the back of the machine. Both machines operate using a single-phase 240-volt supply. I hope this information has been helpful. You can contact us for more information or you can buy online at capitalmachinery.com.au.